Alright, what up? You're not gonna do the same thing. What up? It's gonna be my thing. Alright, we got. I don't know why it came like this. Well, I do know why. But hopefully I could put it together without having any trouble. I'm praying. Hopefully it's not broken or anything. It came from Canada. I believe. I think it came from Canada. Oh yeah, where's my knife? Oh, sick. Fuck, how am I supposed to take this out? Fuck. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. So at the moment, I really don't know what to do with this. I think I just tighten it, maybe. Yeah, I mean, I just tighten it like this. Like that. Hope we put it together properly. Next, we put a bolt on. What bolt? We take the bolt off. Right? I guess we take the bolt off. Oh, this one? Oh, they're both loose. Oh, because you take both off. I guess you take the bolts off of the wheel. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh my god. That's why I fucked up. I already noticed I fucked up. Where's the fucking Allen key? So, obviously you can see I put the fucking handlebars too much to the side because I didn't know. Fuck. There you go. Ay. So this goes right here. This is gonna be the hard part. What the fuck? God damn it. Look like a retard, but it's almost done. First, I have to fill them up. No. That's gay. Voice crack. So now we install the pedals. These are good metal pedals for sure. Good quality. Says right is this side. Ooh. I need to put that seat more down, bro, low key. It's too high. It's going up my ass. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put this seat lower. Shit's going up my booty, bro. How do you tighten this again? Over here. I need it low as possible, bro. Okay. This. The lowest possible. It's still kind of high. I'm about to chill now. Alright. Yeah, I got it. These wheels need air, I think. Yep, they do. It felt weird, but now I love it. I can literally fucking fly on this crap. Like, yeah. Come on, real quick. Yeah, bro. I'm so hyped on this bike, you don't understand. I was so fried in the video that I put my fucking, this like backwards. The brakes were like right here, it was hilarious. So obviously I recognized it. The only thing I need to get used to is the small, like, be aware that the width of the fucking handlebars are really short. I wasn't used to that, but now I'm used to it because like this bike's made for speed, so pretty much you're always like crouched down, kind of single speed. I definitely recommend getting a fixie if like you're trying to get a good affordable bike just to go fast. I'm really hyped on this bike, bro. I seriously hate Florida, bro. This is how you know Florida's a dub. Look at this. Sunny as fuck out, but pouring. Probably can't even get that in my fucking shitty ass camera. Comment below in the video, let me know what bike you got from this website. They have a bunch of fixies, but personally I like this one. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'm going to start posting my whole life on this YouTube. I have another YouTube for shoes, so if you want to subscribe to that, that'll be cool. But, alright, peace.